Hey guys. So the January update has finally came, and guess what? It is not a Sphinx or a new animal like we were all hoping for. It's another reskin. It is a sunset Siamese cat. Why do they keep adding reskins? Please stop. But anyway, the sunset. That was a weird noise. Did you hear that? That was a weird noise. But anyway, the Sunset Siamese cat comes with a windbreaker outfit. You can change the colors of it too. And that's what it looks like without the outfit. And anyway, here are the actions for it. They're the same, most likely the same as the regular Siamese. So yeah. And anyway, the new den is a mineralogy museum den. So I guess mineralogy is like the study of minerals or something like that. But anyway, yeah, it's a museum. And they decorated it really, really well. But does this mean like maybe new fossils are coming? Fossils of like minerals? This den looks like the library den. It literally, wait, why does it look like the library? Why does it look like, what's this? What are you doing here? Why does it look like Why does it look like the librarian den? I'm literally thinking this is just recolor of the librarian den. Well, this sucks. Okay, hopefully there will be something better coming, like maybe dragons or something. But yeah, this update is probably not one of the best. Um, but anyway, new the new pet's a pet snail. Oh my god. Okay, that's something that's great about this. At least they brought a pet snail. Lots of cameras I think have been asking for that. So yeah, that's good. And there's also a mineralogy museum den bundle. It will be released in 7 days in 11 days for members and 13 days for non-members. And the pet snail will be released in 4 days for members and 7 days for non-members. So yeah, snail was really the only good part about this update. But yeah,